have some zucchini here. This is something I learned in school at Liaison College in Kitchener, Ontario. Basically, you want to take your zucchini, slice them down to wedges like that, and then slice them into quarters. Then you're going to slice the tip off. You want to get most of the seed packets out. Then we're basically going to turn this into a leaf. So you want to start with your knife there like so. Oops. And then slice in and start turning, and then go down to the other corner so you have a curve like that. Okay? You're going to do the same to the other side. Start turning like so. So then you have almost like a diamond with two round edges. And then in the middle, however big you want it, we're going to take some of the skin out. Just like so. There you go. There's another one. It doesn't add any extra flavor to the zucchini. It just looks nice on the plate.